Welcome to an extraordinary video that will reveal the secret weapon to accelerate your business growth, customer testimonials. In this captivating and unique video, we will explore the art and science of leveraging customer testimonials to build trust, attract new customers, and drive exceptional results. Get ready to dive deep into the world of testimonials and discover how they can become a game changer for your business. Are you ready to harness the power of social proof? Let's get started.
Section 1: The Power of Social Proof.
Explore the psychological impact of social proof and how it shapes customer behavior and purchasing decisions. Learn why customer testimonials are one of the most powerful forms of social proof and how they establish trust.
Section 2: Gathering Authentic Testimonials.
Discover strategies for collecting authentic testimonials that truly resonate with your target audience. Explore different methods for gathering testimonials, from reaching out to customers directly to leveraging online platforms.
Section 3: Crafting Compelling Testimonials.
Learn how to craft testimonials that captivate your audience and highlight the unique value your business offers. Discover the power of storytelling in testimonials and how it creates an emotional connection with your audience.
Section 4: Showcasing Testimonials Effectively.
Explore various mediums for showcasing testimonials, including your website, social media, and other marketing channels. Learn why video testimonials are particularly impactful and how to create compelling video testimonials.
Section 5: Leveraging Testimonials for Marketing.
Discover strategies for incorporating testimonials into your advertising campaigns and maximizing their impact. Learn how to integrate testimonials into your content marketing efforts to enhance your brand storytelling.
Section 6: Harnessing the Power of Online Reviews.
Understand the importance of online reviews and how to leverage them to build trust and attract new customers. Discover strategies for managing online reviews, responding to feedback, and turning negative experiences into positive ones.
Congratulations! You've completed an extraordinary journey through the world of customer testimonials and their incredible potential to grow your business. Armed with knowledge, inspiration, and creative ideas, you're ready to unleash the power of social proof and watch your business thrive. Remember, your customers' voices are your most valuable asset. Embrace their stories, showcase their experiences, and let their testimonials pave the way for your success. Thank you for joining us on this transformative adventure. Stay tuned for more creative and unique content, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates.